Nothing makes the gamer bros happier than receiving a game from their friend as a gift. So if you want to make your buddies jump up and down in happiness, I'll show you how you can send games as a gift on Steam. Let's open the store, and from here, just find the game your friend will like, and then press Add to Cart. And from the shopping cart page, you need to select Purchase as a gift. Note that you can only gift games to people that are on your friend list. Choose the friend you want to send the gifts to. You can also send it at a specific time by selecting Schedule Delivery, such as your friend's birthday. Or you can send it immediately by pressing Continue. You can add their name here, leave a sweet note, then add your signature. When you're done, press Continue. Then agree to the terms of services and press Purchase. Then the gift will be sent to your friend's inbox from where they can accept it. Now you know how to gift games online on Steam. Until next time, keep spreading the happiness.